elegant and original craft that we are showing you is Aurora 580, a unique generation boat with a retro flavor that makes it an eye-catching and unique piece. Created by the shipwright Benny Manfredini with the intention of respecting nature and the increasing need to save, with its electric motors, Aurora 580 allows you with only €3 of battery charging to navigate for 8 hours in total peace and stability. Suitable for families for its comfort and stability, Aurora 580 has also been appreciated by tour operators that have admired its unique style, ease of operation and maintenance. Elegant and refined, Aurora 580 will confer to your business a unique style that will allow you to distinguish yourself from your former colleagues. Aurora 580 is suitable for passenger transfers, tours, weddings, meetings and events. The large cockpit in mahogany can accommodate up to 8 passengers plus their luggage. The beautiful blue tent will preserve them from the sun during summer excursions and from humidity during gloomy days, thanks to its side latches in transparent Lexan. Aurora 580 is really suitable for everyone, from young to elderly. Everyone will find this craft comfortable, wide and safe. Here you see it in the first version, but Aurora 580 has also been made entirely in fiberglass, with decks and inserts in teak, to confer style and elegance with a taste of retro. But beware, of retro Aurora 580 has only its appearance, characterized by its large paddle wheels and soft lines, because the method of construction has used the most recent and innovative techniques, combined to the use of modern coating materials such as epoxy resins of latest generation. Aurora 580, finally a new way of tasting in silence a unique boat ride.